Alright, so if you guys didn't watch the last video where I customized this I Love Boba hat, Boba Addict, then check it out before this video or after this video. But anyways, let's get this started. I'll be showing you guys a customization of my Air Max 95 light pink colorway. Yeah, I got this pair of shoes like over half a year ago, I think. Yeah, it's kind of worn out, so I'm gonna be scrubbing that thing and then do like customization of it. Yeah, something, it was very spontaneous, right? The customization, the ideas and everything, it was really spontaneous, but I think it turned out great. So watch it to the end because it's gonna be dope. So like I said before, I got this pair of shoe over half a year ago, and it's slightly roughed up, but it's still in pretty good condition. You can see there are some stains on the leather and on the midsole, but I'm going to paint them over anyway. So yeah, first I am going to wash it off a bit, just get rid of any dirt, grease, stains using like a stain remover. And yeah, alright, so I'm using a nail polish remover. The acetone helps with prepping the leather. I just gotta remove the gloss on the layer, like the outer layer of the leather, and it works well with the paint.
Saw you, my world stopped spinning. No, my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Spinning too. Saw me. Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too.
So I hope you enjoyed the customization because it was awesome. But if you did not, go watch the video again because you're gonna enjoy it the second time. And if you're still not, then watch it again. And if you're still not, then don't watch it. Just watch my other videos. But anyways, this honestly took me way too long, almost 24 hours. But the reason is that, you know, this is my first time painting a pair of shoes, and this pair of shoes apparently is pretty damn hard because the surface was just like, there was so many ledges and curvature that it's just yes, it was honestly really annoying. But yeah, like and subscribe if you like it. Like and subscribe if you feel bad about me spending almost 24 hours making this video for you guys to watch. And like and subscribe if you're a good person, or if you're a bad person.